Do you have any warts? Many people suffer because of them, even though they are harmless and painless. Today you will learn how to use lemon to remove any warts that may annoy you. When they are in hidden places, we don't care about them. But when you have a wart on your face, it is hard not to pay attention to it. Warts are caused by the HPV, human papillomavirus, which enters the body through scratches or cuts on our skin. Of course, there are many medications to remove warts, but did you know that some natural, homemade medicines can also help? Today, we will show you some medicines with lemon that are very efficient to remove warts at home. Lemon is an amazing medicine for warts, but you need to know the right way of using it. Lemon destroys the cells of the tissue and eliminates warts thanks to the citric acid. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in citric acid, as we mentioned before, and it helps eliminate dead cells and dry warts. To use it, do the following. Clean the affected area. Squeeze a fresh lemon directly over a cotton pad. Apply to your skin 2 to 3 times a day. Applying it daily during a few weeks will help your wart to lose form and fall. Are you enjoying the video? Then don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Lemon and vinegar. Apple cider vinegar and lemon are acids, which is why they work so well to remove warts. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and lemon juice. Dampen a cotton pad on the mixture and gently apply over the wart. Cover with a gauze and let it act for an hour. Then remove the bandage and wash the area with warm water. Garlic and lemon. This powerful combination is one of the most used natural antibiotics and antifungals to remove warts from the skin. Both ingredients have substances that help destroy and inhibit the growth of many fungi, viruses, and bacteria. They also don't have any side effects. Do you want to learn this recipe? 1 garlic clove, juice of 1/2 lemon, 1 Band-Aid. Start by mashing the garlic clove until you get a thick paste. Next, mix the lemon juice. Wait a few minutes while the mixture works. After a few minutes, apply directly over your wart and put a Band-Aid over the area. Let it act overnight and wash the place in the following morning to remove it. Do it every night until your wart falls. Attention! It is important to remember that during any treatments with lemon, you must refrain from sun exposure to avoid burns in the area where you applied the lemon. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.